Tonight the video is how to start rolling a ball of yarn by hand. First you take your tail and turn around your finger like this, and after like 20 rows not around your hand, you stop, twisted your yarn a little bit like this, take your tail and turn it around in the middle. When you got like 20 rows, not rows but turn around, twist it like this or fold, and then you continue around like this. When it covers the tip of your finger, you stop and you switch it side. It's always like to always do an X, and then when it covers your finger, you change the side again, take it in your finger and you turn around again. It's not hard. It's only to start the first time and you'll be okay after that. It's always the same thing, and you get a bigger and bigger ball of yarn with time. And you keep all your stash clean that way and not have trouble to use it later when it's all in ball like that. So you keep going like this till you get all the yarn in the ball. I wish you a good day. Hope this little information helped you, and don't miss the other video of the week. Ciao ciao.